Hello guys, welcome back. We're now working with layer style in Adobe Photoshop 2025. So let's type something, change your font style, and right here Photoshop 25. So and now if we need to add or create shadow, how to add a style, go to layer and go to layer style. So there you can see the hidden blending option. It means second way, you must go to layers and right click on your title layer and click on blending option. Click here, there you can see type of style. So if you need to apply presets, click on style and choose from here. In one click, there you can control the stroke, you can control the inner shadow, pattern overlay, drop shadow, counter, bevel. So if you need to control the pattern overlay, select and control the scale. So if you need to control stroke, select stroke, control the size of the stroke. You can control the gradient color. Click here. There's a lot of presets. Click on blue, select cancel again. Go back to drop shadow. So there you can change the shadow color, control the opacity of the shadow, move by mouse like this, control the distance, control the spread and the size. So there is inner shadow, select. If you need to turn off, you can see the result. If you need to control the bevel and emboss, control the counter. There, select again. You can change to down, bevel, overlay, you can change to up. This is very important style in Photoshop. So this bevel and emboss sometimes use like this. Create a new project, apply solid color. The solid color must be like this. And select your title, change to gray color. Okay, so write something like a style. Select all, change the style into black. Fill up the size, hold shift, press upper key and apply. Press V, move to here and right click, go back to blending option. Take a look, when you turn on the bevel and emboss, change to down and control the depth, control the size, smooth, soften, control the opacity. So if you need to add inner shadow too, turn on this style too. So there you can add color overlay, select, change the color from here, click OK. Now you can see this is like a crumble or placement. Click OK. So guys, let's go to use another style. Select again your title and go back to layer, right click, go back to blending option. If you need to add more presets, you must go to style, click on setting, click on import the style, download from internet and import the styles here. Then in one click you can apply the styles on your title, on your shape, on your layers. So guys, don't forget, click OK. If you need to flatten all these styles with your layer, you must go to file and go to script. There you can see flatten all layer effect like this. So if you need to change to individual layers all these styles, you must go to layer style and select create layers. There you can see all the styles in one layer like this. So Ctrl Z again. So if you need to apply or copy this title as a style on your shape, your favorite title, let's create a sample shape, a triangle. And now select your title, right click, make a copy layer style. Select your shape, triangle, right click, paste, layer style. So if you need to control the scale, go back to layer and there you can see layer style, control the scale effect, control the size of your effect. So if you need to hide all effects, go back to layer style. There you can see hide all effects. If you need to control the shadow, global light, click here, control the global light. There you can see the layer style. If you need to layer, in one click, clear your layer style of this layer. So Ctrl Z again. And now select again. There, go back to file, script, take a look, flatten all, layer effect. And now you can't control the style of the layer. Ctrl Z. So let's select this layer and press delete. Double click again, double click, and now you can see the blending option of setting. If you need to turn off this channel of the red, turn off the green, turn off the blue. If you need to blend green, blue, red, control like this. So if you need to add more effects, click here, add more effects like a drop shadow. So if you need to control the shadow just of this layer, turn off use global light. So if you need to control the all layer style is shadow, turn on use global style. So if you need to control the counter style, select here. Let me cancel, and now let me delete, select again, apply blending option, the shadow, drop shadow, and now you can change the style of the shadow in one click. You can see the result like this. So if you need to accept, click OK or cancel. So guys, this was about layer style, how to use the layer style, how to control, and how to manage your layer style. Thanks for watching, and let's go to another part.